Today, I'm going to show you how to go through our We Got You website onto the Co-Curricular website and start building your co-curricular record document. So here we go. Okay, so first what you're going to do is head onto our website, humber.ca/student-life, and you're going to go to the Get Involved section of the website. So you're going to click Co-Curricular Record. It's going to take you to the co-curricular record part of our website, and then you're just going to click to the part where it says how to create a CCR. So once you do that, it's going to take you to the CCR website. So I'm going to go to the students section because I'm currently a student. So you're just going to log in with your N number, basic My Humber login, just your N number and your password, and it's going to take you to this website, the co-curricular portal. So I'm going to click onto my record. And it's going to show me all the things that I've already applied to my co-curricular record. But just for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. So you're just going to click add a position to my record. And in this little box here where it says activity or position name, you just type in whatever activity it is that you've done. So for example, one that I did that I haven't added yet is a sustainability design thinking workshop. So I'm just gonna use that as an example because I think a lot of people have probably participated in some sort of workshop at their time at Humber. So I'm gonna click the exact event that it is, which is the sustainability design thinking session. Click add to record at the bottom of the screen. So now it's going to ask you to check off all the skills that apply to this particular activity. On the side of each one, you'll see a little question mark. When you hover over those, it's going to explain what each skill means in case you're not sure. So you're only allowed to choose 5. I know it seems like that's not very many, and maybe all of these apply. I would just choose the 5 that you want to have on your document that will help you when you're applying for jobs in the future. So for this specific one, I'm just gonna choose the design thinking, of course. I'm gonna also choose environmental awareness, obviously, social issue awareness. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. I get to choose one more. So I think I'm gonna choose problem solving because that one really applies to this. So then you're just gonna click save on the bottom of the screen. And now it's been added. So at the top, you'll see position status. It says pending. Whoever is in charge of this specific activity has to actually approve it in order for it to go on your CCR. So once it's approved, you can go straight back to where it shows all of the stuff that you've done so far. And you're gonna click print my co-curricular record. So I only have one approved activity so far, but that's okay. So we're just gonna do that. So you click that and it automatically downloads. So then you just go to your downloads and you click the file. And here you have your beautiful document with the signatures, the activities. Mine only has one, but once they're all approved, they'll all appear on here. Remember, as soon as you complete an experience, make sure you add it to your CCR to avoid missing the year-end deadlines. If you haven't done this already, go try it out. It's really cool and useful. So have a great day, guys. Bye.